Hello guys, welcome to iPlus Education. This is Syed Ismail. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss formation of differential equation from ordinary equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. Let us see here formation of differential equations. The differential equations can be formed by differentiating. So first thing is we have to differentiating the ordinary equation and eliminating arbitrary constants. So we have to take two steps. We have to differentiate and eliminate arbitrary constants. Here we have one example question. Form the differential equation of y is equals to cx plus c square. This c is an arbitrary constant. So let us see the solution. Given ordinary equation is y is equals to cx plus c square. Here we have only one unknown, that is c. So where c is a arbitrary constant. So first step is differentiation. First step is differentiating. So differentiate with respect to x. This will become dy by dx is equals to c is a constant, derivative of x is 1. Here c square is a constant for us, so derivative of constant is 0. So we'll get dy by dx is equals to c. So we have only one constant c, we have differentiated one time. Now replace this c by dy by dx in equation 1. Let us take this as equation 1. So substitute this c value in equation 1. Substitute c value in equation 1. Here we have y is equals to c. C value is dy by dx into x plus c square. C square means dy by dx square. Now let us rewrite this equation. Write down dy by dx square plus x into dy by dx. This will become minus 1 equal to 0. This is a differential equation because it contains derivative of y with respect to x. Let us see the order and degree for this. Order and degree. Here order means how many times the derivative is performed. So here we can see that derivative is performed one time. So order is 1 and the power of this order is 2. So the degree is 2. If I have one constant, we will get order 1. Let us see the next question. We have to form differential equation from this ordinary equation. Here we can see that we have two unknowns a and b. So two unknowns means we have to differentiate 2 times, and if we are differentiating 2 times, the order of the equation will be 2. So see the solution. Given y is equals to a into cos x plus b into sin x. Let us take this as equation 1. Now due to this a and b arbitrary constants, we have to eliminate these two a and b so that we will get differential equation. Differentiate with respect to x. This will become dy by dx is equals to a is a constant, derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus b is a constant, derivative of sin x is cos x. Now this will become dy by dx is equals to minus a sin x plus b cos x. Let us take this first derivative equation as 2. Now since we have two unknowns, we have to differentiate 2 times. So again differentiate with respect to x. This will become d square y by dx square is equals to minus a is a constant, derivative of sin x is cos x, b is a constant, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So here we have d square y by dx square is equals to minus a cos x. Here we have minus minus. Take this minus common. We have a cos x plus b sin x. Now we have differentiated two times. We have two equations. Let us see equation 1 and equation 2. Here we have a cos x, b sin x. Now compare here a cos x, b sin x. So we can replace this term by y. So here we have d square y by dx square is equals to minus y. It means that we got d square y by dx square plus y is equals to 0. This is the differential equation. Let me write down the order and degree. We have differentiated two times, so the order will be 2. Here we can see that now the power of this is 1, so the degree is 1. Form the differential equation y equal to e power of x into a cos x plus b sin x. Here we have two unknowns, that is arbitrary constants a and b. So we have to differentiate two times, we will get order 2. So given equation is y is equals to e power of x into a cos x plus b sin x. Let us take this as equation 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. This will become dy by dx. Here we have e power of x, one function, and this a cos x plus b sin x is another function. So we apply u into v rule, treating this as u and treating this as v. UV rule. It means that we have to leave the first function. Leave the first function. Now differentiate second function. A is a constant. Leave it. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Plus b is a constant. Leave it. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Now leaving the first function, derivating the second function. Next, leaving the second function, that is a cos x plus b sin x. Differentiating the first function, derivative of e power of x is e power of x only. Now this can be written as dy by dx is equals to e power of x into, here we have minus a sin x plus b cos x plus a cos x plus b sin x e power of x. Since we have two unknowns, we have to differentiate two times and treat this as equation 2. Now again differentiate, again differentiating with respect to x. This will become d square y by dx square is equals to, here we have two functions. So leaving the first function, derivating second one. Minus a is a constant, derivative of cos x, that is sin x, is cos x. Here we have b, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so this will become minus b sin x. Now leaving the first function, differentiating the second one, plus leave this one, that is minus a sin x plus b cos x into differentiating the first one, so e power of x derivative is e power of x. Now this part will give you this much of terms. Now differentiating this, here I have first function, second function. So leave the first function, that is a cos x plus b sin x. Leaving this term, differentiating this, so we'll get e power of x. Now leave this function, e power of x. Now differentiate this. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus a sin x plus derivative of sin is cos. So b cos x. Now here we have d square by dx square. Take minus common. We have minus e power of x into a cos x plus b sin x. A cos x plus b sin x. Here write down first e power of x into this term minus a sin x plus b cos x, plus here we have this term a cos x plus b sin x into e power of x, plus we have plus into e power of x. Here we have e power of x minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now d square y by dx square is equals to minus this term e power of x a cos x. Look at here, e power of x a cos x plus b sin x value is y. So this complete will become y, plus here we have e power of x minus a sin x plus b cos x. These two are same, plus a cos x plus b sin x into e power of x. This term and this term are same. So these two terms can be replaced by from equation 2, that is dy by dx. Plus we have this term e power of x into a sin x plus b cos x. When you compare this with this, you won't get y. And even from here, if you compare e power of x a sin x plus b cos x, okay, these two are same. This term and this term are same. From equation 1, from equation 2, that is 2, from equation 2, here we have dy by dx is equal to e power of x into, we have minus a sin x plus b cos x plus this term a cos x plus b sin x into e power of x. This term can be replaced by y from equation 1. So here we have y. Now this will become dy by dx. Take this here, minus y is equals to e power of x into minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now replace this term here, replace this term by dy by dx minus y. So this will become d square y by dx square minus is equals to minus y plus dy by dx plus the value of this term is dy by dx minus y. So this will become d square y by dx square, dy by dx is 2 dy by dx minus y will become, here if I take here, I'll get minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y is equals to 0. This is the solution for this question.